Welcome to the session 14, that is components of natural environment. In that we discuss about various energy components. These various energy components and their impact on the business is discussed clearly in this session. The learning objective is to study the various common energy components which are available in the environment as well as the natural environment. After studying this session, the students will be able to understand the various common energy components and their impact and their availability and activities which are used by using these energy components are clearly understood. This is energy components include that is a potential energy. First one is potential energy. Potential energy is stored energy and the energy of position. So it is stored energy. Potential energy is one of the stored energy and the energy of a position. It is not moved from moving activity. It is not created through moving activities. Just it is stored by a potentially. These potential energies are include. First one is chemical energy. Chemical energy is energy stored in the bonds of atoms and molecules. The batteries, biomass, petroleum, natural gas, and coal are the examples of chemical energy. Chemical energy is converted into thermal energy when people burn wood in a fireplace or burn gasoline or petroleum in a car engine. This chemical energy is very essential for industrial activities as well as industrial purpose as well as transportation and communication purpose, logistics purpose as well as various industries are based on these various potential energies. For example, batteries energy are very useful for communication industries. Biomass energy is for fuel and other industrial purpose. It is also very important. Here, the petroleum is converted into various energy resources for running the vehicles as well as running the factory machineries and equipments. Next is mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the energy stored in the objects by tension. Compressed springs and stretched rubber bands are examples of stored mechanical energies. These are energies which are used in various manufacturing activities and various machineries are used this mechanical energy. For example, for rotating a machinery, a rubber belt is used for running the machineries through chemical energy through the engines. One uh, machine will be operate various machines through rubbers or chains. This is the mechanical energy example. Rubber bands and springs which are used in this mechanical energy production. Various machineries are running through the motors or through electricity is the example for mechanical energy. Next is nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is stored in the nucleus of an atom. The energy that holds nucleus together. Large amount of energy can be released when the nuclei are combined or split apart. For example, bombs and firings and guns which are used in the nuclear energy. Next is gravitational energy. It is the energy stored in an object's height. The higher and heavier the object, the more gravitational energy is stored. When a person rides a bicycle down a steep hill and picks up speed, the gravitational energy is converting into motion energy. Hydropower is another one example of gravitational energy, where gravity forces water down through a hydraulic turbine to produce electricity. By this gravitational energy, we produce various electricity through the various electric turbines. This electricity used for various household as well as industrial purpose and other business related purposes. Here, various transportation purpose also the various electrical energy is used. For example, running metro train as well as running electric train through the using of electric energy. Then running motors for agricultural purpose for picking up underground water through the borewells. These are all the gravitational energy converted as electrical energy. Next energy sources, the second type of energy source is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the motion energy of through the waves, electrons, atoms, molecules, substances and the other objects. This includes the various energies such as radiant energy. Radiant energy is electromagnetic energy that travels in the transverse waves. Radiant energy includes visible light, X-rays, gamma rays, and radio waves. Light is one type of radiant energy. Sunshine is radiant energy which provides the fuel and warmth that makes life on Earth possible. In this natural environment, radiant energy is one of the main and major component which is available naturally as well as through the artificially. Artificial radiant energy resources are used in various visible lights and X-rays and gamma rays in the hospitals. Natural radiant energy is produced through sunshine and sun rays is the radiant energy which provides energy and warmth that makes life on the earth is possible. Without sunshine, without sun radiation, there is no living beings will exist. For chemical reaction of the environment, So radiant energy is very essential. Through the radiant energy, various industrial activities are also possible. Various production units will using various type of radiant energies. For example, electrical radiations. In the hospitals, X-rays are used this radiant energy, and scanning also using radiant energy by using the electrowaves. Next is thermal energy or heat energy. Thermal or heat energy is the energy that comes from the movement of atoms and molecules in a substance. Heat increases when these particles faster. Geothermal energy is the thermal energy in the earth. Next energy is motion energy. Motion energy is the energy stored in the movement of objects. The faster they move, the more energy is stored. It takes energy to get an object moving, and energy is released when an object slows down. Wind is an example of motion energy. A dramatic example of motion energy is a car crash. A car comes to a total stop and releases all of its motion energy at once in an uncontrolled instant. Through these various accidents are the examples of this motion energy. When car moves from fastly from one place to another place, there is a sudden accident. Automatically that moving energy will stops. The motion energy effect is to breakdown of the car or scrapping of the car. That is the example, best example for motion energy. This motion energy is used in various crushers, for example, crushing stones, jellies, etc. These are all using various motion energy through the operation of various heavy objects. This motion energy is very essential for crushing the stones and making jellies and stone particles of huge rocks. Through huge rocks, various stone crushers will provide small jelly pieces or small stones are formed through this motion energy by crushing these rocks. Next is sound energy. Sound is the movement of energy through substances in longitudinal or compression or rarefaction waves. Sound is produced when force cause an object or substance to vibrate. The energy is transferred through the substance in a way. Wave creates the sound. Typically, the energy is in sound is smaller than in other forms of energy. This sound energy is used in certain object. For example, radio waves, musics, etc. are using sound waves for transmitting the communication. Last one is electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy delivered by a tiny charged particles called electrons, typically moving through wire. Lighting is an example of electrical energy. This lighting will flows from typical wire, copper wire. Through this copper wire, electrical energy will flow from transformer to the bulb. The lighting of bulb requires electrical energy. These are all the various energy components which are used in industry as well as production, one and in one or another way. These are all various energy resources which are used in business as well as industry. Again, we can recall these various energies include. First one is potential energy. It is the energy is stored energy and the energy of position. It is stagnant. These include various energy resources, that is chemical energy, the energy stored in the bonds of and atoms and molecules. Next is mechanical energy is the energy stored in objects by tension. Nuclear energy is the energy stored in the nucleus of the atom, the energy that holds the nucleus together. Next is gravitational energy is the energy stored in an object's height. The higher the and heavier the object, the more gravitational energy is stored. Next, second category energy is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the motion of waves, electrons, atoms, molecules, substances, and object. First one is radiation energy. Radiant energy is an electronic or electromagnetic energy that travels in transverse waves. Thermal energy or heat energy is the energy that comes from the movement of atoms and molecules in a substance. Motion energy is energy stored in movement of objects. The faster they move, the more energy is stored. Sound energy is the movement of energy through substances in a longitudinal waves. Sound is produced when force causes an object or substance to vibrate. Last one is electrical energy is delivered by tiny charged particles called electrons, typically moving through a wire. For example, lighting a bulb through wire by using electrical energy. These are all various energy components. Again, we record through this one by one. Understood? These are all energy components directly or indirectly used by various industries for productive purpose, for growth of the economy as well as growing of business and economy. These are all the various energy resources which are available in the natural environment. Among these, some of are man-made energy resources by using certain natural substances. So, these are all energies are very essential for the development of industries, transportation, communication, and producing various products and services. By using these energy resources is one of the major advantage. These are all the various energy resources.